Okay, so let's see who's going to win. I am here on Comment Picker, and I'm going to paste the address of the video, and I think this is it. YouTube include replies. No, show random names. Solve sum 7 or not 10. Get YouTube comments. It has 42. Okay, let's start. So there you are. The winner is Yande Bro. Fantastic. So please, Yande, do contact me. Send me an email to craftingwithpaula@gmail.com. I'll have that also in the description. But I will give you a couple of days. Otherwise, I have to pick somebody else. Okay? So congratulations and have fun with your machine. I will send it to you as soon as you contact me. Congrats.